putting some of the round discs around the outside. I'm going to be putting this on the cake wheel for this. Kind of dust off our table a little bit here. Okay, do we have any questions so far? Okay, so we're going to be placing some of our round discs on the cake. We're going to kind of just do this randomly, and you're going to be using just a little bit of water to make these discs kind of tacky. And then we're just going to be sticking them on the cake, kind of a little bit randomized. Just make sure it's stuck on there. They shouldn't fall off at all. I like to start with the bigger ones, and then I move to the smaller ones to fill in. So like I said, this is a super cute cake that you can make with hardly any special tools in your kitchen. You can brush this water on with a brush, and there is also a product that's kind of a fondant glue that they sell that you can use for this, but water works just fine. You just want to make these tacky, just a little bit of water, just to get it to stick on the cake. And do we have any questions on our fondant cake today? So it's kind of fun. It's a relaxing thing to do. So take your time with your fondant cakes. You'll be sure to dazzle your friends and family. And please give me a call if you have any questions, or if you need any help, or if you have any suggestions. So I'm hoping to see some fondant cakes coming up on the student portal. We saw a few last week, some really cute ones. There's just so many things that you can do with your fondant. Be sure that you're joining us next week, because I'm going to be showing some more decorations. So our fondant cake is almost complete. I'm going to be putting some of these smaller dots on. These are great too for kids, because they can kind of join in on putting some of these decorations on, and they really like it too. They're easy to handle for them, and it's not too hard. So you've got some kids that can help with your fondant discs on your cake too. You can kind of make it a little family cake. Nice blue color. Keep in mind when you're making those darker colors, fondant's going to be a little bit more sticky. Always try to stay away from those too, unless you have someone that really wants a darker colored cake and you have to make it for them. Try to stick with these lighter colors. You'll have better luck. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put some of these smaller pieces on. And our fondant cake is just about done. See how quickly it went? We decorated the whole cake in almost 20 minutes time. I had the loops ready ahead of time. And we have another question.
What kind of cake is that?
The question is, what kind of cake is this? It's a yellow cake with buttercream filling. It doesn't have any mousse in it. It's been in the fridge for about a week since last week, and it was wrapped up really well. So this is our cake. So just an idea for the bottom. I've got a little bit of fondant left over. You can do little pearls around the bottom like this, or you can just do some buttercream piping to finish off your cake. So I like the look of the pearls. They're fun to make. You can make the pearls up ahead of time too as well. And you can just kind of place them around the bottom of your cake. It gives it a super cute, when you add these little pearls, it adds almost a whimsical kind of look. And these fondant cakes are great for making those offset whimsical kind of Alice in Wonderland type of cakes. So please let me know if you have any questions. I'm just going to make a few more of these pearls. And if we don't have any more questions, we're going to say our goodbyes till next week. We'll be making some more fondant decorations, and we have another question.
Is the recipe on the Escoffier database?
Yes. The recipe for the fondant is on the Escoffier, it's on the website. If you go to the archives and you look under the video playlist, you'll see Making Fondant. What you're going to want to do is go to the bottom right, and there's a YouTube link. So go ahead and click on that, and it's going to take you to the next page. And then when you get to the next page, you'll see the Escoffier link, and you can click on that to find the recipe. However, if you're not able to find it, be sure to give me a call or send me an email. You can reach me at swolak@escoffieronline.com. So please call me or email me anytime. I'm here waiting to help you guys out. And let me know if you have any questions. And I really, really want to see some fondant cakes on the forum. So you could just make a small cake like this, a small 8-inch cake. You can even make a 6-inch cake or a square. The square cakes make beautiful bowl box cakes too as well. And as you can see, the cake is really shaping up with the pearls around the side. So thanks for joining me today, and we'll see you next week for some fondant decorations, okay? And be sure to join in on the contest and let us know how you're doing. Have a great week, and we'll see you next Thursday.